Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent the Sous Vide machine. This thing is awesome because it actually heats and cools. So if you're having a party and you've got some wine, beer, champagne, whatever liquor you have, and you want to cool it off, this can actually do that and cook the meat for you. It comes in a 12-quart container here, which I've already filled it up with some water. You've got your lid, so that way you're not going to lose any of that extra temperature from whenever you're doing it if you are doing a meat. So that just sits right on there and has a nice little area right there for your sous vide to sit into. You've got an area here to be able to lift it off. You've got your markings of how many liters are in each one of these. And this is amazing. It actually has a neoprene sleeve, so that way you can retain your heat or cold in this sleeve. So that is a really nice feature that I have not seen on there. So we're gonna get this put on here. Then I've got a couple things of alcohol here, but put my ice in here first. You can add in our different liquors, and then it will quickly chill them for us once we get this thing going. So I'm going to click this on. This has a nice little screw area here, so you can adjust the depth of what you want to have it. So if you weren't using this container and you wanted to use a different one for some odd reason, you can easily adjust that. But we're gonna get that snug on here. Got a nice 110 outlet here that we will just plug this in. And then it is going to press the button. You're gonna see your temperature, your time, which you can adjust all of that on here. You've got your different modes, so you can change that. You've got your time just by pressing this. You go up or down. You have your start button and then of course your power button. But if you wanted to do the chill button, you just press and hold, and then we hit go and off it goes. Now this is going to circulate that cold water all around. Like you can see that ice kind of moving as it's moving the water around, which is just gonna bring all that cold around, get all of my bottles nice and chilled and ready for a party. But if you were using this for a steak, easily set it up. You've got timers to go up to about 72 hours or so to be able to go on here. And you have your different temperatures to be able to go on here for different things that you're using. So this is fantastic. The way that you're using for cooking, drinking, this is a one-stop shop for pretty much anyone's house. I love the design and the way that they've made this.